I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Chevrolet Colorado. We'll dive into its key features, performance, and overall value. You'll learn about the different engine choices, their horsepower, and how much they can tow. We'll also look at the interior comfort, available tech, and safety features. This comparison will help you decide if the Colorado is the right truck for your needs. Let's talk about what powers this truck. The Colorado offers a robust 2.7-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, available in several power outputs. This engine provides a good balance of power and efficiency for daily driving and tougher tasks. When properly equipped, it can tow an impressive 7,700 pounds, making it suitable for many trailers. Payload capacity is also strong, often exceeding 1,600 pounds, depending on the configuration. This truck is built to work hard. Stepping inside, you'll find a modern and functional cabin. The interior design is intuitive, with controls placed logically for easy access. Comfortable seating ensures a pleasant ride, whether you're on a short commute or a long road trip. A large, responsive touchscreen infotainment system comes standard, offering seamless connectivity and entertainment. Plus, a suite of advanced driver assistance systems is available, providing extra peace of mind on the road. It's a well-equipped and connected space. Considering its capabilities and features, the Chevrolet Colorado presents a compelling value proposition in the mid-size truck segment. With various trim levels available, from work-focused models to off-road specialists, there's a Colorado to fit almost any lifestyle and budget. It delivers a robust performance, a comfortable interior, and modern technology, making it a versatile choice. Before you go, remember to check out the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.